Today, we're checking out the brand new BZB Gear BG-4K-VP1616, a powerful UHD unit that can do matrix switching, multi-view, and video wall processing all in one. It has 16 inputs to 16 outputs, as well as LAN extensions. However, for today, we're just gonna be focusing on the matrix feature, which is seamless switching. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first things first, as always, let's go over our setup. As you can see, we have multiple sources going into multiple displays. Obviously, this is a 16 by 16, but we're using 9 TVs, so we have 9 different sources, PlayStations, Xboxes, media players, all that kind of fun stuff. Control is very easy as well. You could do the front panel buttons, the remote, or you can access the web. So that's what we're doing today. Actually, just for today's demonstration, you could go through a network switch, but I'm just going to go direct just to keep it simple. So I went ahead and set up a static IP on my computer to match. I just did a 192.168.0. The unit is 192.168.0.100, and so I went ahead and did that. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and log in, and boom, we're in here. And like I mentioned, this VP series is really cool. You got different modes. You got your matrix, you got your video wall, and multi-view. So stay tuned to check out more videos on this unit covering like the video wall features, the multi-view features, the customization of multi-view, and even a deep dive of the whole unit most likely. So like I mentioned, we're going to be just kind of covering the matrix feature and the seamless switching, how easy it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and there's 2 different options to control the unit. So you got your drag and drop if I want to drag. So if I input number 2 go into number 9 here, so it's switched pretty seamlessly. So input 3 go into output 8, boom, right there. No black screens when it's switching. Sometimes the screen might adjust just depending on the different resolutions. We're using a lot of different sources, so it's seamless, but sometimes you're gonna get like a black screen on the different resolutions because it's the EDID is adjusting there. So I'm gonna go ahead. I like grid view here, so you get your grid. So for instance, if I want to put all of input 1 on all the outputs, I can just go down here and then watch. Boom, switches really quick, seamlessly, and go into the next source there, and I could do that. Boom, you see multiple. So this is a great unit if you're in a sports bar or anywhere you want a control center where if you want to show one image on across all your TVs at once, you could do that, or you can matrix like that. Boom. Or you can go individual TVs. If you're watching the top left TV, there, that's output 1. So you just switching seamlessly. Boom, boom. Boom. Like I said, sometimes it adjusts, but doesn't take long to think. And then I could do output 2, which is the top middle TV. Boom, 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 boom. Really, really easy. And then you can set presets if you want. So you got your presets right here. You can save it, and then actually, if you could either call them from here as well, if you want to do that. Or you go to, there's a preset area where you can do that as well, like presets for everything. So that's the matrix feature. It's a really cool, really easy. You also could do it in our app if you want, but if you're connected over the web, it makes it very easy. Like I said, seamless. I like this point-to-point option here, which puts everything back to one-to-one. And then, of course, once you're on the web, you can adjust all your input settings, your output settings on all the displays, flip the TVs over. You could adjust all the network settings here. But, yeah, you could check it out on probably another video on how to do that. But that's it. That's just how simple the seamless switching is. If you're looking to do matrix, presets are great. The buttons are great. You can also change the name of your inputs and outputs, so it makes it easy to know what's what. Well, there you have it. Like I mentioned, just a quick demo of the matrix feature on the VP 4K 1616. As I mentioned, there is a lot other features, video wall, Multiview, all the presets, everything using the apps and even the interface. Keep a lookout on all the other videos on this unit coming out soon, so that's why you want to subscribe to BZB TV so you'll be notified when more videos like these come out, or even videos on this series, more of a deep dive on this whole unit, or how to use the Multiview or the video wall feature. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. Love to hear from you and love to see how we can help you out. See how this would be a great solution to a problem you might be having if you're looking to extend 16 sources to 16 outputs, or just if you're installing the unit and you're stuck on some speed bumps, hit us up. Love to help you get over those speed bumps. And like I mentioned, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified when more videos like these come out. And as always, have a great day.